evaporates and there's nothing left. Well, we're gonna use this method to boil the Coke and see how much sugar is in it. Guys, now we're gonna pour our Coke into the pot and our parents are gonna boil it and we're gonna show you what sugar is left behind.
Yep. Guys, after boiling it, this is what we have left.
Like ooey gooey sugar.
Yeah,
Ew, that's so
it's
nasty.
so hot. It's really hard to pick up.
Yeah, it's like ooey gooey sugar.
Ah.
Guys, look. Ew.
Ew.
It's like kind of the color of Coca-Cola.
But you know, you can. It's like hard when you put it up. It's not hard, and then when you put it down, it's hard. It's like
Wow.
really hard.
It's kind of like candy, like hard candy.
Yeah, I thought it was actually gonna be like real sugar.
But it actually came out to be like this.
Yeah, it's really hot. Guys, we warmed it up a little bit more, so this
Now it's like gooey.
Yeah, guys, let's try it.
See how it tastes like.
Uh-oh.
Ew. That looks nasty.
It's like hair.
Ew.
It's just like hair.
Ew. That's nasty. Ew.
It's so bad.
Ew. This bitter.
It tastes so bad.
So nasty. Guys, when you drink Coca-Cola, make sure you don't drink too much because that is a lot of sugar for one little bottle. That is a lot of sugar.
Yep.
Well, there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when we post a new video. Bye.
Step, lean, rise, up, down, come here, get me hot, Come on,